RDC is the leading IT and business services provider for the mobility service industry in the Netherlands, Belgium and Luxemburg. We help companies such as car dealers, lease companies, importers, garages, car repairers and car rental companies to work faster and smarter. With web-based services that enable cooperation between companies across the whole supply chain, we are a one-stop shop for mobility services. The industry we work in is changing. As an industry, we need to come together to provide a seamless spectrum of services, and that means greater integration between all the back-end systems. The employees of mobility companies potentially need to have access to dozens of different IT applications and services. Some from RDC and some from other providers. This means multiple different authentication processes, usernames and passwords, which is confusing for the user. Also, many companies have a single user account shared between all employees, making it impossible to have different levels of access for different types of information. Our parent companies BOVAG and RAI asked the Industry Standardization Institute SIMS and us to create a solution giving access to all services via a single sign-on interface, with closer control over user access rights. The overall strategy was to transform our business model, making us a point of aggregation for all mobility-related services in the Benelux countries. We chose to work with NSNL, Network Solution Nederland, as a specialist in identity and access management solutions. And they identified Identity Manager and Access Manager as the best solution for our requirements. In the first stage of the project, we built a dynamic web application launcher to give each user access to the appropriate services. All user accounts are managed through Identity Manager, which reduces administration time by synchronizing authorizations with backend systems and enabling users to reset their own passwords. In the second stage, we rolled out a new identity and access management model with individual identity for each user. This meant restructuring our business model and processes, and we also deployed NetIQ Sentinel for security monitoring. The solution we have built with Identity Manager enables the very rapid setup of new user accounts. This was a crucial point for us. We set out to ensure that users could be migrated to the service in just 1 minute, and without any need for the IT administrator to get involved. The NetIQ software has given us a sophisticated, secure and scalable platform that will help transform the interaction between users, companies and service providers throughout the mobility services industry. By giving service providers a single self-service platform for user management, we can help them concentrate on developing more highly personalized services instead of needing to devote all their resources to user administration. With individual login services, we can also enable the monitoring of individual performance levels, which will help providers ensure that their employees are correctly trained and are following the best approaches for customer services. In this way, we are actually helping to make the industry more professional. In terms of the end customer, it's all about convenience. The NetIQ technology helps to bring together all the data and services at the back end, enabling the mobility industry to reach a better understanding of changing customer needs and offer all-in-one solutions. We are currently projecting an adoption rate of 70 to 80% across the mobility services industry in the Benelux countries. This means hundreds of services, tens of thousands of companies and even more than 100,000 users. The robust NetIQ solutions will help us to manage this large and diverse user community and to offer excellent performance and availability into the future.